class. Now chapter number 9, pronoun and its kind. We have completed first exercise, first part of the chapter. Now second. Demonstrative pronoun. These are the pronouns which are used to point out things or person to which they refer. Means the noun which we use to denote something or someone is called demonstrative pronoun. As this is my water bottle. These are your new clothes. As this is my book. Means the word which we use to indicate something, कि this thing or this person is belong to me or anybody else. So this type of word is called demonstrative pronoun. That, though, this, these, such, this and these is used for the thing which are near to us, and that and those is used for the thing or person which are not near to us. Relative pronoun. These are the pronouns which are used to connect two statements. Means we use to join two statements, two sentences into one. As I have a robot, the robot can do my work. Means there are two sentences. I have a robot, first sentence, and robot can do my work. Now we can join these two sentences with the help of which. I have a robot which can do my homework. Now second example, this is a boy. This boy met me in a bus. These are again two statements and we can join it with the help of who. This is the boy who met me in a bus. Now exercise. Join the following statement with suitable relative pronoun. Means the word which we use to join two words is called relative pronoun. Who and which are most common word. I don't know who has stolen my pen. There are many toys which you can play with. I have some toffees which I shall give to a child. Anand is the man who made us sad by his exist. This is the dog which bite me yesterday. Means first answer is who, then which, then again which, who and which. Now reflexive pronoun. Sorry class. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun are the one which show that the action done by subject comes back to it. We can have reflexive pronoun by adding self to my, your, him, her, it and selves to them or yo. Himself, herself, yourself, themselves, etc. are reflexive pronoun. Means reflexive pronoun are the one which show that the action done by subject come back to it. Means related to someone. As himself means उसका, खुद से. Myself means myself, मैं. And yourself means तुम. And themselves means they are. So Ashraf helped himself. Ashraf ने खुद की help की. In the deal, I hurt myself in the ground. Who hurt me? Myself. मैंने खुद ही अपने आप को hurt कर लिया. You will hurt yourself. They appreciated themselves in the meeting. Supply suitable reflexive pronoun. मोनिका टॉट हरसेल्फ, मोनिका ने अपने आप को ही पढ़ाया। किसने पढ़ाया मोनिका को? हु टॉट मोनिका? मोनिका हरसेल्फ टॉट द प्लेयर्स प्रिपेयर देमसेल्फ बिफोर द मैच। प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ इन sickness. Tinku deceived himself by copying Sorium. So now class, fill these two exercises in your book. Now we will and learn these rules and do exercise number this in your copy, and this is only in your book. Now tomorrow we will complete these two exercises.